Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're already mid-workout, so start now. Wake the screen, and if prompted, enter your passcode so controls respond. Once the display is active, swipe right across the workout screen to reveal the pause and end controls. You do this because the swipe gesture exposes the session controls without interrupting sensors. Once you see the pause and end buttons, you're ready to move to the next step. Make sure the watch isn't in waterlock, which prevents touches. Pause first if you need a short break. Tap pause to freeze the timer and metrics so you can decide. Once you're ready to finish, tap end, that stops the workout recording. After tapping end, choose save to keep the workout and sync details to your activity app, or tap discard to remove it entirely. You do this to preserve accurate history and calories. If you want the metrics later, always save. Once chosen, the watch exits workout mode. After saving, glance at the summary. Calories, duration, and heart rate should appear. This confirms the workout stopped correctly and synced. If the screen won't respond to swipe or taps, try a quick restart by holding the side button until the power options appear, then restart. This clears transient glitches. If issues continue, update watchOS and ensure wrist detection is on, because software or lock settings often block touch input once fixed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.